Hey everyone, it's Marks here. Today we're diving into the top 7 websites where you can learn hacking for free in 2025. Whether you're a beginner or looking to sharpen your skills, these resources have got you covered. We're talking about platforms with hands-on challenges, comprehensive courses, and vibrant communities, all accessible without spending a dime. So if you've ever been curious about ethical hacking, cybersecurity, or just want to understand how to better protect your own digital life, this video is for you. Let's jump right into the list and explore these incredible resources. First up, we have Hack the Box, and let me tell you, this website is a game changer. Imagine stepping into a virtual world filled with vulnerable systems just waiting to be hacked. This platform offers a gamified approach to learning cybersecurity. Join their massive community of over 1.5 million hackers. Hack the Box provides a wide range of challenges categorized by difficulty. You're actively applying your skills in a safe and controlled environment. Earn points, climb the leaderboards, and unlock new hacking tools. It's like leveling up in your favorite video game. Connect with other hackers, share knowledge, and learn from each other. They have forums, chat rooms, and even live events. Whether you're just starting or looking to hone your skills, Hack the Box is a must-try. It's engaging, effective, and completely free to use. Next up, we have Cybrary, and this website is like the Netflix of cybersecurity education. Seriously, they have a massive library of courses covering everything from the absolute basics of cybersecurity to advanced penetration testing techniques. Whether you're a complete beginner or a seasoned professional looking to upskill, Cybrary has something for everyone. And the best part, a vast majority of their content is completely free. One of the things I love about Cybrary is the sheer variety of courses they offer. They have courses on ethical hacking, network security, digital forensics, cloud security, and so much more. Each course is broken down into bite-sized modules, making it easy to learn at your own pace. Plus, they have quizzes and assessments along the way to help you solidify your understanding. But Cybrary is more than just a collection of courses. It's a comprehensive learning platform with a ton of features to enhance your experience. They have virtual labs where you can practice your skills in a safe and controlled environment, career resources to help you land your dream job in cybersecurity, and even a community forum where you can connect with other learners and industry experts. If you're serious about pursuing a career in cybersecurity, or simply want to expand your knowledge in this ever-evolving field, Cybrary is an invaluable resource. It's free, it's comprehensive, and it's constantly updated with the latest industry trends. Now, let's talk about TryHackMe, another fantastic website that takes a hands-on approach to cybersecurity education. TryHackMe is all about learning by doing, providing you with a safe and interactive environment to practice your hacking skills. They offer a wide range of guided walkthroughs and challenges that simulate real-world cybersecurity scenarios, making it an excellent resource for both beginners and experienced hackers. One of the things that sets TryHackMe apart is its unique learning path system. They have curated paths that guide you through different cybersecurity domains, from basic network scanning to advanced web application penetration testing. Each path consists of multiple modules, each with its own set of challenges and exercises. This structured approach ensures that you're building a solid foundation of knowledge and skills as you progress. But TryHackMe is more than just a collection of challenges. They also have a vibrant and supportive community. Their forums are incredibly active, with learners and mentors from around the world sharing tips, tricks, and solutions. Whether you're stuck on a particular challenge or just want to discuss cybersecurity concepts, you'll find plenty of helpful folks on TryHackMe. If you're looking for a platform that combines hands-on learning with a strong community aspect, TryHackMe is an excellent choice. It's engaging, it's effective, and it's a fantastic way to level up your cybersecurity skills. Next up, we have OverTheWire for all you command line enthusiasts. OverTheWire focuses on teaching cybersecurity through command line challenges. If you're comfortable with SSH and Linux, OverTheWire is a gold mine. It offers war games with multiple levels, each a unique challenge. Use your skills to find vulnerabilities and gain access to the next level. It's like digital escape rooms with firewalls and system vulnerabilities. OverTheWire forces you to think critically and creatively. No hand-holding here. You're given a goal to achieve. The sense of accomplishment after each level is rewarding. Mastering the command line is essential for cybersecurity. OverTheWire is the perfect place to hone those skills. It's challenging, rewarding, and perfect for leveling up your cybersecurity game. Chapter 5. Now, let's talk about SecurityTube, a website created by cybersecurity legend Vivek Ramachandran. SecurityTube is renowned for its in-depth technical content, covering a wide range of cybersecurity topics, from ethical hacking and penetration testing to advanced exploit development and malware analysis. If you're looking for expert-led training and want to dive deep into the technical aspects of cybersecurity, SecurityTube is an invaluable resource. One of the things that sets SecurityTube apart is the quality of its instructors. They have some of the most respected names in the cybersecurity industry, sharing their knowledge and expertise through their videos and courses. Whether you want to learn about the latest web application vulnerabilities, reverse engineer malware, or build your own custom hacking tools, you'll find a course on SecurityTube that covers it. While SecurityTube does offer some free content, they're primarily known for their paid training programs and certifications. Their certifications, such as the Offensive Security Certified Professional, OSCP, and the Certified Ethical Hacker, CEH, are highly regarded in the industry and can significantly boost your cybersecurity career prospects. If you're serious about pursuing a career in cybersecurity and want to learn from the best in the business, SecurityTube is an investment worth considering. Their courses are comprehensive, their instructors are top-notch, and their certifications carry significant weight in the industry. Chapter 6. Now let's talk about Hack This Site, a website that's all about putting your hacking skills to the test. Hack This Site offers a series of challenges designed to simulate real-world hacking scenarios, covering everything from basic web vulnerabilities to advanced cryptography and steganography. It's a fantastic way to apply what you've learned from other resources and see how you fare against realistic cybersecurity challenges. One of the things that sets Hack This Site apart is its focus on practical skills. The challenges are designed to mimic the types of vulnerabilities and security flaws that hackers exploit in the real world, giving you valuable experience in identifying and exploiting these weaknesses. Whether you're interested in web application security, cryptography, or just want to test your general hacking skills, Hack This Site has something for you. Hack This Site also has a strong community aspect, with forums where you can discuss challenges, share solutions, and learn from other hackers. The community is incredibly welcoming to newcomers and provides a supportive environment for learners of all skill levels. If you're looking for a platform to test your hacking skills, challenge yourself, and learn from real-world scenarios, Hack. This site is an excellent choice. It's free, it's engaging, and it's a fantastic way to take your cybersecurity skills to the next level. Chapter 7. Last but not least, we have OpenSecurityTraining, a website dedicated to providing free and open-source cybersecurity education to everyone. OpenSecurityTraining offers a wealth of resources, including video lectures, course materials, and virtual labs, all available for free download and use. If you're looking for a comprehensive and accessible cybersecurity education without breaking the bank, OpenSecurityTraining is an invaluable resource. One of the things that sets OpenSecurityTraining apart is its commitment to open-source principles. All of their content is released under open licenses, meaning you're free to use, modify, and distribute it however you see fit. This makes OpenSecurityTraining an excellent resource for students, educators, and anyone passionate about cybersecurity education. OpenSecurityTraining covers a wide range of cybersecurity topics, from the absolute basics to advanced concepts like exploit development and malware analysis. Their video lectures are particularly noteworthy, featuring presentations from some of the most respected names in the cybersecurity industry. If you're looking for a free, comprehensive, and open-source cybersecurity education, OpenSecurityTraining is an excellent choice. Their commitment to accessibility and open knowledge makes them a valuable resource for anyone looking to learn about cybersecurity. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this list helpful. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech content. Let me know in the comments which website you're most excited to try out. Remember, cybersecurity is an ever-evolving field, and continuous learning is key. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting, these websites provide invaluable resources to enhance your skills and stay ahead of the curve. Until next time, peace.